Welcome back to Moto Explorer. Today, we're exploring the Revolt RV1, a sleek electric motorcycle that's changing the way we think about sustainable riding. With its modern design and innovative features, the RV1 offers an exciting glimpse into the future of electric motorcycles. Powered by a high-performance electric motor, the RV1 delivers smooth acceleration and instant torque, making it perfect for urban commuting and short-distance rides. It offers an effortless and quiet riding experience, with zero emissions and low maintenance, making it a practical choice for eco-conscious riders. The design of the RV1 is futuristic, with sharp lines, integrated LED lighting, and a minimalist body that exudes style and innovation. Its modern look is paired with a digital display and smartphone connectivity, adding to the convenience and advanced features that this bike offers. With multiple riding modes and regenerative braking, the RV1 ensures an efficient ride every time. If you're looking for an electric motorcycle that blends performance, sustainability, and style, the Revolt RV1 is definitely one to consider. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Moto Explorer content.